is coming. Give him a hand. The name is called Pastor Titi Natamo. Man of God. Lift up your right hand.
Heb je je rechterhand op.
Say, Father.
Zeg Vader.
This afternoon.
Deze middag.
Speak to me.
Spreek tot mij.
Say, Father.
Vader.
This afternoon.
Deze middag.
Let your word.
Laat uw woord.
Sit.
Zitten.
In my heart.
In mijn hart.
Say, Father.
Vader.
Today.
Vandaag.
I am ready.
Ik ben bereid.
To speak.
Om te spreken.
To speak.
Om te spreken.
To speak.
Om te spreken.
In Jesus'
In
name.
Jezus' naam.
Say amen.
Amen.
I want us to do something a little bit funny.
Ik wil dat we iets grappigs gaan doen.
Wherever you are sitting,
Waar je ook zit.
I want you to change your seat. Just change your seat with somebody. And as you change your seat,
En als je
the
verandert,
Lord is changing your